bus! Hey, what are you doing? We're gonna go off on an adventure. Hey gang, it's Kiev. Yeah, we're gonna go off on an adventure. No telling what that crazy cameraman's doing. I have to watch him all the time, I'll tell you. Hey gang, we end up coming over to Central Avenue. Today is actually gonna be twice a year they have what they call Cruising Central. There's a Mustang I saw. Get a quick picture of it. Yeah, this is a Boss 302. I believe it's a 2011 or 2012. Anyways, we came over there having Cruising Central. It's going to be a car show, and the cars will be cruising down Central Avenue. So, and you can hear something in the background there. So we'll be heading over here and checking it out in a bit. Saw this nice convertible parked along the street too. Thought we could get a picture of that. Convertible Mustang. That's Let me watch the race down the side. Okay, we found an old Malibu or Chevy SS here. SS on there. I'm not sure if I get around here what year it exactly is. I used to have an old 72 Malibu though. That thing was not good. It was nice. Do anything you want to do. Oh, it looks like this is a 72 SS. It's like my Malibu is 72. You can tell because it's 72 headlights. I believe it was the 71s only had one headlight on. That is nice. Okay, I hope I have this in. I can't tell anything. Not even sure if it's running. Anyways, it's an old Ford Fairlane. Come around here. Not quite sure what year it is. Chances are a better idea. Is this yours? I guess it's just looking at it. This is really nice. I don't know if you can see the window continue. Get around here and get the front. There's the Fairlane sign. Comes out of here. There's the front of it. Oh, we got a high hump here. And I turn around, we got an old Camaro SS sitting there too. And we're not even to the car show yet. Why don't you ask them what they expect from you? Why don't you tell them? And we've got an old Chevy Bel Air here. I think this is a 55 or a 56. You've got something to say. Nice interior do anything you want to do. Step around this way. Do anything you want to do. I believe that's a 56. I'm pretty sure. Do anything you want to do. 55 doesn't have quite the talent going over the line. Do anything you want to do. Cars falling there. Do anything you want to do. Do anything you want to do. No turns right. Lost my balance here. I don't see anything else. Oh, here's an old vet coming down the road. An old T. A couple of them. Old Impala.